Hello, I'm Adam Randal, and this is my OOP assignment demo video. I have already filled in all my information, and I suppose let's begin. Understand? I must produce each video filling form. Assignment file. Truthfully, they will be checked against the file considered plagiarism. Yes, I understand. Okay. Requirement 1, a basic application. Graphics.jar probably added to your project, show it in your project. Yes, that's fine. I installed project structure that's what I'm looking for. As you can see here, the oops graphic.jar there it is, been fully installed and is fully working in my program, as it does indeed correctly run. So let's say yes. Project contains main class.java, separate oops graphics correctly by extended oops graphics, or you've moved on and done this in a graphics system.java, then you have made an object graphics main class.java. Yeah, I've done that here. Public class main class extended oops graphics, and like I showed earlier, that correctly all works. Correctly call the oops graphics about method and the tail animation to make sure you can. So I'll let it fully play out. This is when I run it, it instantly plays the about method, as you can see there, and that is here within my code. So yeah, main class.java has a main method which creates an object of graphics system.java and then further process to run this object. I don't think I've done that. I don't remember that being anywhere in the spec, so let me double check that. Project list. Right. I don't think I have done that, but I also can't see anywhere in here where it specifies to do that, so that seems a bit unfair that we just throw that in without it saying. But no, I suppose I haven't done that then. But also I wasn't aware we were supposed to, so apologies. The about method is called the user types about in the text field. Okay, show you your code. Show something about yep. Show it in the code first. This is the way it processes all the commands. See when the input equals about, clears the display, displays about, and then runs the command. Gonna have to wait for this to run first. So let's see, I do about. Then we'll run it again. It also displays my name, as that's a requirement further down to overwrite this method, which I'm sure we will have to show later. So yeah, done that. Alright, requirement 2. Before you start to show your code where your program processes, show it how it processes the programs, time to the test do it. Show command, okay. You should show a command after that, do it. We want that three commands, that's fine. All parameters must be turned in the same time. The other command is not simple. Yeah, that's fine. So, pen down command is working. We'll see if it works in a moment. show your code. Do that here. Pen down, which is here. If it's pen down, display, pen down in the box, and run the command. So yep. Forward command works. Okay, the top movement response to that. So just have to tap one forward with nothing in it. Yeah, that's fine. And obviously that's invalid, as you need to put 2 parameters in, and I've done that down here. Here, you can see it. There's an if statement to make sure that there's 2 parameters inputted. If not, it's invalid. And then it will do some more validation, and it gets the parameter from the second value you enter, and then it does the forward there with the parameter in it there. So yep. Forward command works with parameter. You can move to about that. Show your code and show tell it. Oh, this forward. Oh, I'm typing that. Forward 100. See that? It travels forward by 100 pixels. And again, as I just showed earlier, it works by using the second parameter inputted as the length. That's when it runs. Yep. Backward command works with all of our parameter. Show your code, and then show the turtle moving in response to the user typing backward. The turtle must be pointing the same direction as if it was before the command at the end. Again, tick and move to the next question if you can input a parameter. Yep, I will show you backward without anything, invalid, and then the next one backward. Yeah, so I can show you as well if it's working with a parameter, backward 100 instead. Backward 100. Flip back to where it started, facing the same direction as it asked. And I can show you in the code as well. Just below, same as forward. If it's backwards, it checks to make sure that there's 2 parameters, and if it is, it'll go in here and do some validation that I think we'll look at later. Gets the second parameter and then turns around, goes forward by that much, and then turns back to make sure it's within we're looking at the same direction as it started. So yeah, they're both fine. Turn left one minute, that parameter. Tick it and move to the next question if you could input a parameter. Turn left. That's fine. So that's invalid because it needs a parameter, just like you said. Turn left. I do them forward 100. Right, I'll show you the code for it. Turn left, so just further down. Where did I put you? Must be fair, but here we are. Turn left is here. Just like before, to make sure there's 2 parameters. If not, it's invalid. Then it will get the second parameter and just one validation, and then it will turn left by the parameter specified. That's fine. And then, like we said here, I need to turn left 90, and then forward how much? 400. That's fine. There we go. So yep. That. Turn right command works. That parameter. Yep. Turn right. Oh no, needs to be like that. Turn right. Invalid, and that's just under here. Same principle as turn left. Checks for 2 parameters. If not, errors. And if it does, it'll just one validation, but it'll get get the second parameter inputted and use that within the turn right module itself. So then, yep, so that's the works. Rotate it by turn right 90, forward 100. Okay, turn right 90, forward 100. There we go. Pen up command works. Pen up command to right 90, forward 100. Alright, pen, we'll see. Pen up. That fully works. Turn it then, turn 90. Forward 100. Yep. Just see an end shape with the turtle at the bottom left, the point. Yeah, that seems to fully work, as that was the intended thing that specifies there. That's perfect. Got at least 4 colour commands. That's just weird to make it straight. We can pen down where to the power 100. The turtle should move further to a red line. Show all 4 colours. Show all 4 colours. Show your code. Yeah, I'll show it in the code first. It's start off actually. You've got black, green, red, and white. So I will, suppose I'll show them all now. We'll start with white. Forward, let's do 50. Oh, I just put a pin down, I'm gonna silly me. Pin down. Let's do, oh, it's only white, isn't it? Forward 100. There we go. Let's change it to green. Forward 50. See? Let's do back to red to prove that works. Forward 100. And then black, that won't show anything because the background is also black, but I can actually prove that by going backward actually, because it will overwrite it because it is black, as you can't see it because it's the same colour as the background. So there you go. That all works. Yep. Clear command works. Show your code. Show it clearly. Clearing the display. Sorry, the turtle should be on the far left of a clear display. Should be on the far left. I don't remember it's specified anywhere it should do that. I don't think these requirements are very well specified. I don't remember that at all. It just says all it had to do was clear the display. I apologise if the turtle stays in the same position. Right. Well, I made it reset to the go back to the middle. I didn't realise it should stay in the same position. But if I obviously would do that again, that would be a very simple fix. I would just remove the reset command itself. And then that wouldn't move the turtle at all. I could have moved it now actually. I must have misread that, apologies. That would I can show you if I do forward 100 and then by clearing it. Oh, I need to wait on the thing, don't I? And then I can do like on the forward 100 and then clear, and you see it'll still stay there. So that would have worked if I had read it and understood that bit. So I do apologise, but yes, that does work. Reset commands work. So right and forward, so I do it, and then type reset, and then the test. So that's fine. Let's do pen it down. So pen there. Type right and then forward 100, and then reset. You see, doesn't play anything, it just resets the turtle and points it down as you already specified. So yep, I need to show that in code as well, which is here. It does the reset command, and for requirements early down, it also resets the pen colour and the width of the pen. This pen, let's just clear all this. Fine, alright. Requirement 3. Reports invalid command type x66 and show. Sorry, and it should report that it is invalid command. Show your code. Show detect an invalid command. 2, 3, 4. Invalid command. That works by in the if when you input. Obviously, it won't be any of these, so it will go all the way down to the end. And as it is not an option, it will just be invalid commands here. As well, if you enter absolutely nothing, it won't do anything because it could just be a mistake. So I also implemented that feature. So yeah, it's invalid. Detects valid command with missing parameter type forward with no parameter. It should report there's no missing parameter. I think I've already shown that, yeah, but it is indeed invalid. I can show that as well. Yeah, right, yeah, forward. It'll see if the amount of parameters entered equals 2, and if not, it will display invalid parameters, which you saw it did. Yep. Text non-numeric parameters type forward x66. Non-numeric parameter forward. Also invalid, as you can see. It will do it. It will do it here as it tries to convert that into an integer, and as it's a string and they cannot be converted to an integer, it will error, which it will then catch it here and display the invalid parameter message there. So yeah, excuse me. Bounds parameter, for example, you can show that you click the turtle off the screen and make it up to them instead, and show you can pass a negative of the accessible item. Yes, if I do forward 2000 be invalid because I think that's probably too high, as well as if I do forward -10, that would also be invalid because I've done for all of the ones that require numeric parameters. I've done it so here the parameter has to be greater than 0 but below 1000 to be valid, otherwise it's invalid, as it states there. And going off the screen as well, I think I can do forward, is it like maybe 800? It should go off the screen and it will then return straight back to the centre as it's gone off the screen, which you can see here. It will check the coordinates if the x is not between 0 and 800, it will send it back to the middle of the screen, as well as if the y is between 0 and 400, it will also set it to the centre of the screen to make sure the turtle is always on the screen at all times. I can even show you with the x and the y. Let's do left and then forward 1000. It will go all the way off the screen and then it will return all the way back and reset to the same position. So that does work. Yep. Right. Requirement 4, save and loading. Did tick that, yeah. Requirement 4, save and loading. Save command works to save an image, draw something with a colour, show your code, draw something to save it, open up the image in a package. What do you? Oh, I see. Like a Microsoft Paint image. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Forward. Oh, pen down first. Shush, 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 shush. Pen down. Forward 100. Let's do green. Left. Forward. 40. How about turn left 45. Blue. Forward 65. Did I misspell blue? Whoops. Oh, blue that colour. Oh no, it's not. You've got white, red, green and black. Oh yeah, whoops. I don't know why I thought blue was a colour. Let's do white. And forward 50. Perfect. I'm going to draw something and I'll save it. Save. So I pops up with this graphical interface, and I always just store it in here because I just think it's easier. Let's just call it test.png. Save it. And then open it. I can't quite remember where it saves it now. I think about it. Let's try. Give me a minute. Gotta remember where these are saved. Users. I don't. In here. In there. In bin. Java. So I might have to just save that again to see where it is. It's in portfolio. Search that. This is a bit annoying. I don't know where that is. Ah, here we go. It's in C. Apologies for this. It's in C users. Let's see. Add my idea project. Idea project, new portfolio. Let's see that. And images. There we go. Perfect. It is that one I just did. Home. Open in Paint. Ta-da! Oh, there we go. That's what I drew. Opened in. Opened in Paint. That's the full screen. That you can see that. Perfect. Open in Paint. Yep, done that. Let's go to that. Local mode. Clear screen. Oh, clear screen. And then blue screen. Clear. Object reason until display. Show your code. Draw something. Save it. Clear the screen. And then, oh, hang on. I didn't show the third command in the thing. Apologies. I forgot to do that. It's near the bottom because I did it last, I think. Yes, I did it in a separate method. That's the word I'm looking for. It'll be all the way down here. Aha, here we are. Save image. Sorry, full screen it. I'll try to put it all in. It's a bit long, complicated. So first it will try it, otherwise it'll fail. So it has to do all this stuff because this is part of the JFile chooser package. That's how I save the images. This is all to do with the GUI, and when you open it up, then you've got to make sure it's got the approved file format. So I've made it so you can pick a JPEG or PNG, which I think was specified in the requirements. I can't quite remember. Otherwise, if you don't pick the right file format, it displays a message saying no correct file selected, and it doesn't work. Also, if any of this errors at any point, it will show a message dialog saying error saving the image. which is useful as well. So that's that. Where's the middle? Oh. There we go. Right, now load command. So clear the screen, open your image on the turtle display, the one I just did, yeah. Okay, that's fine. Load. That one on it, yep. As you can see, it is opened. If it opens the image up, now let's draw something else and save it. Let's just turn left. Oh, is my pen still down? Yeah, oh, that's it. Looks so. Let's go left again. Oh, that's nice. Let's change the pen color. Forward 100, yep. And now try and save it. I swear to God that was working yesterday. Oh, fuck's sake. That shouldn't have worked, I don't think. Because if I try to save it again, test2.png, and it saved it. Oh wait, no, is that right? It does something to save it. I'm a bit lost. Want there meant to be an error because said I haven't changed, but I have changed it. Clear the screen and then open up your image on the turtle display. Show your code. Draw something and save it. Clear the screen, then open up your image on the turtle display. Okay. Oh, that's the spell. So yeah, no, it still works. I think that's alright. I think I got confused. I thought there should be an error saying it hasn't changed, but it has changed because I've drawn it. I think that's right. Apologies about that. Again, load is a separate method, which is fine. Load images here. If the image has changed, that's to make sure if the image has changed, it will make sure. This is the way it asks if I want to save it. To make sure you're not overwriting an image, it will then try and load the image. It will clear it and load it up for you. If not, it will say image not loaded, and also if it ails at any point, it will catch it down here. So that's fine. So welcome. I did not get around to doing command. I had a look at it. I was a little bit confused, and I thought I was doing it at times. I thought I would leave the command. So I apologise. I did not. I had a look, but I did a little bit, but I didn't fully get around to that bit. So I do apologise. No, I didn't do the command. And while it is displayed somewhere, constant the current image is not saved. Show your code. Draw something and then try and clear it. So I'm not doing anything to this. I don't think so. Right, let's clear. Let's 400, and then let's what's it low. This isn't saved. So yeah, it says here, if you try to load it or clear anything, so the current image is not saved, would you like to save it? You got yes, which will just run the, I showed this earlier actually, just over here. If you say yes, it will run save image. If you say no, it'll do nothing. If you cancel, it will also do nothing. Sorry, if you click no, it'll go and save image, and if not, go on that, and if not, it will do nothing. So that's fine. So yeah, one switch. Yeah. Yeah. Just done it with the GUI box. I just showed the GUI boxes because they pop up. That you can fully interact with them and everything, so that all works, which is fine. Like requirement 5. Override the about method, so it's all the same dance but pins and contention name. That's fine. About. Well, that's one in now. Gotta find it. It's here. So I use the override. I don't know what the word is, but I use the override, like keyword to override about, and I then created the a graphic text so that it pops up at the end. Because I did have a go at trying to draw it at first, but I realised how difficult that was. So I think that there was a much easier way to append my name to it, which is fine. And I had to super about to run the actual background, same dance as previously described. Now that's fine. So yep, I've done that. So let's clear this. Implement this square length. Square. Doesn't matter. Just do like 10. Oh, that's very small. Can't really show that off. Square 100. Square 100. Apparently I can't spell. Square 100. There we go. That works, and show that off somewhere. The square that's here, it'll do it by the length that you input it, and then do it by the length. And then the pen one. Blue. Yeah, that's right. Pen, and then it's after like 100, 150, and then 150. Oh, it's called pen colour, isn't it? Pen colour 100, 200. Pen colour, then I can do forward 100, forward 100. And you see it's made a whole completely new colour using this full error checking. I can show you the full error checking here. Pen width, pen colour, so that's it actually running, and all the validation is done in the top bit here with all the usual validation, as well as a separate validation to make sure it's between 0 and 255. And it has to make sure that there's 4 inputs instead of 3, instead of 2, sorry, and it full error checking fully works. That's fine. Pen width, let's do, I thought the usual 1 in it, 5, left, forward, 100, you see, much bigger. So yeah, that's fine. Pen width. I didn't realise how long this video would take. I'm working at like 3 o'clock, so do apologise if I'm rushing a little bit. Thought it would take like 10 minutes, not about 40. Pen width. Square, so it must be below here. Triangle. Where have I put that, eh? Pen width, yeah, that's fine. Checks all the error checking, and then it will change it just like how it does previously. Change the pen width like that. That's fine. Triangle, yeah, that's fine. Triangle. like 100. That's fine. And it, so I must have tested it only facing down, but it still does work. If I clear and reset, do the triangle and do 50. You can see. You can also see when you clear and reset, it resets the size and the pen color. That's also shown off there as well. That triangle does work, and I can show you in the code. It does all the normal parameters and error checking here. It will then run the subroutine, which is somewhere it's there. I've did the math and figured out what angles everything needs to be to make sure it's always a triangle. That works. And now I did have a look at this, but I also didn't have enough time because it just looks very complicated when looking at polygons, so no, I did not get around to doing that. Anything else to add? Not specific. Oh, I did do this. I did write my name out. I was just messing around with the commands and decided to write my name out. And I saw other people doing it and wanted to do it too. So I'll see if I can add that. There we go. Cool. So you're not going to miss your Smiths. How much different it is. Go for a checklist. Alright, well that's the end of my video. I decided to fill this out on my own time. So let's do exit. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video, I guess. So cheers. See ya. Bye.